A 150 feet long asteroid has skimmed harmlessly past the Earth, closer than any other near miss on record. It passed far closer even than the geosynchronous satellites that orbit the Earth, but there was no risk of impacts or collisions. Its closest approach was at 1925 GMT. The huge chunk of rock, so big it is capable of wiping out London, was traveling closer to the planet than many satellites when it reached its nearest point at 7:25 p.m. But while it should have been visible as a tiny dot of light crossing the sky to those using binoculars, weather permitting, scientists had said there was no chance it would hit Earth. People have gathered across the UK with binoculars and telescopes to catch a glimpse of the asteroid, called 2012 DA14, which is now moving away from the planet. It had been expected to reach no closer than 17,200 miles, 27,681 kilometers, away, easily far enough to be safe, but very close in astronomical terms. At a weight of 143,000 tons, it would have wiped out an area of 750 square miles if it had the Earth's surface. Astronomers in the US were unable to see it at its closest approach, but colleagues in Australia watched the point of light speed across a clear night sky. There was a remote possibility that it could collide with one of more than 100 telecommunication and weather satellites in fixed orbits. It is expected to have moved outside Earth's ring of satellites by around 10:30 p.m. UK time. Experts have been closely tracking the asteroid since its discovery a year ago. Astronomer and asteroid expert Dr. Dan Brown, from Nottingham Trent University, said stargazers would have seen it pass from the constellation Leo to roughly the Plough, more or less from anywhere in the UK, and that it would have been bright for an hour. DA14 belongs to a dangerous family of near-Earth objects, NEOs, that are small enough to be missed but large enough to cause serious damage. It was detected in February last year by La Sagra Observatory in southern Spain as it fell under the spotlight of the sun's rays. It was estimated to be traveling at 12,427 mph, 20,000 kph, and 18,641 mph, 30,000 kph, around 5 miles a second, or 8 times the speed of a rifle bullet. Scientists at NASA's Near-Earth Object Program at California's Jet Propulsion Laboratory estimate an object of this size makes a close approach such as this every 40 years. NASA is live streaming the flight path of the asteroid from various observatories and satellites. The European Space Agency said the asteroid is not linked to the meteorite hit in Russia earlier on Friday, with scientists calling it a coincidence.